This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this Excel tips and tricks video, I will be teaching how to use this clear options. There are various ways where we can use this clear options. So in that, I will be teaching you how to clear all, clear the formats, clear contents, clear comments, clear hyperlinks, and how to clear by using Format Painter. But before that, if you guys have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And also, if you guys need the offline videos of all the courses what we conduct, please do contact with the number given below and also to the email ID what we have specified below. We will be sending you the link to download all our offline videos and you can learn this without internet. And these courses will be affordable prices and very low prices, which you can easily download and have it in your system and learn without internet. Right. Let's learn the clear options. First option is clear all. Clear all will clear complete formats, data, and any borders or anything specified in that particular range what you have selected. Let's select these two columns here, and in home tab we have a group called as editing, and in this editing group we have this clear. Click on the small arrow, you get all the options to work on the clear. First option is clear all. Let's click on this clear all. You can see that the data along with the formats have been cleared. I have mentioned the shortcut key as well here. You can see that Alt plus H plus E plus A. This is the shortcut key for clear all. Next option, clear formats. We know that formatting means adding the borders, changing the font color or the cell color, or we would have formatted in many different ways. Now I need to remove the format, but still I need the data. Let's select the range where I need to remove the formats. Let's select the option clear formats from this clear. When I click on this clear formats, you can see that the formats are removed, but still the data remains in the cell. The shortcut key is Alt plus H plus E plus F. The next option is clear contents. Clear contents will just remove the contents from the range what you have selected, but the formats remains untouched or uncleared. Let's select this range. We'll click on this clear and we have this clear contents. Let's click on this clear contents. You can see that the data is removed or data is cleared. We can also use the shortcut key Alt plus H plus E plus C, or we can also use delete button in our keyboard key. Just press delete. It will delete the contents in the selected range. The next option is clear comments. If you move my cursor here, you can see there are so many comments. Now these are called as notes. Previously it was called as comments. If you want to remove these comments, I can select the range and let's go to this clear, and here I have this clear comments and notes. Let's click on this. You can see that the comments are removed. The next option is hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are nothing but the links what we can give to the website or to the other sheets or somewhere we have to link it. Sometimes what will happen when I copy the data from internet or somewhere, if there are some hyperlinks in that, so suppose if you want to delete that, so it will be difficult for us to remove it. So what we'll do is we can just select the range where the hyperlinks are available. You can go to this clear and we can just click on this clear hyperlinks. All the hyperlinks in the selected range will be removed. If you check this, now the hyperlinks are removed. But if you want to change the format, I can just copy any one of the formats, select the range, and you can right click and say paste special. And we can click on this formats. This will change the format. We also have the shortcut key here, Alt plus H plus E plus L to remove the hyperlinks. The next option is clear by format painter. Without using any of these options, we can remove the formats as well. Select any of the cells which are not formatted. In this clipboard group, we have this format painter. Just click on this format painter and select the range where we need to remove the formats. I just select this range and you can see that the formats are cleared. So this way I can use the clear options to remove the data or the formats, and we can use it in our templates as well. I hope this video was useful for you guys. And again, I just remind you, if you guys need any of our offline videos of the courses and packages, please do contact with the number specified below or the email ID given below. We will be sending you the link to download all our offline videos, and you can download it and you can learn without using internet as well. I guess you like this video. If you like this video, please give a like. And if you think that this video was useful, please do share it. And also, please subscribe to our channel if you're not yet subscribed. And if you think that there are more options of clear, please do mention in our comment box. By this, even I can learn something new, and the people who are watching this video also can learn something new. Keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.